Namaste, hello, and welcome, my dear Capricorn friends. My name is Sonia Singh, and today I will be sharing some guidance messages with you for the week of 19th to 25th of July 2021. So let's get started. Your energy of this week is represented by the Magician. Your challenge this week is represented by the Strength card. And your guidance this week is the Star card. So, Capricornians, with the Magician card as your energy of this week, your message is to be more bold, to assert yourself, to understand and realize that you have all the tools necessary to create the magic that you wish to create. This is a card that talks about believing more in yourself. It also talks about bringing in a lot of showmanship into your work, into your situations. Realize and know that you have the power to not only manifest what it is that you want, but also you have the knack, the skills, and the talents to get what you want. You have to really believe in yourself. And I also believe that's important because Strength card is coming up as your challenge, Capricorns. You may lack the courage, the strength, to go after things that you really want. There's a possibility that you may not be feeling too confident about yourself. You may be too quick to throw in the towel and say, you know what, I can't do this. But that's not the truth. You do have all the strength that you need to deal with whatever situation life is throwing at you. You do have the strength and the courage to achieve your dreams and to be where you are. Now you have to believe in yourself in order to do that. We also have the Star card as your guidance card. Now, I believe that these two cards are trying to tell you that you need to focus on your healing this week. You need to adopt a positive mindset and a positive attitude. The destiny, fate, or life of the universe is definitely working in your favor. If you bring these two cards together, luck is on your side. You can go ahead and create the life or create the dream that you have been dreaming. So believe more in yourself and focus on your healing. Allow someone to help you. Allow someone to be there to support you if you're feeling too weak on your own and if you need that extra strength or support. This card also talks about shining like a star and inspiring others. So if you are in a position to inspire or to send a message out there, then I encourage you to be an inspiration to the world outside. Apart from this, we also have a couple of other messages for you, Capricorns. And a few things that I would like to tell you here is that you need to take care who you share your secrets with this week. Because it's possible that you may be dealing with a two-faced person. It's possible that someone that you consider a friend may actually not be a friend. So be careful who you share your secrets with, as someone may gossip about them and someone may betray your trust. Make sure that you keep important things to yourself and not go around sharing it with anybody, especially even people close to you who you consider to be very good friends, because there's a possibility that there can be a two-faced friend in your life. Now, if you are going for a get-together, if you're connecting with someone, if you're in a group setting, make sure that you do not spill out all the beans. There is a message for you here that says reevaluate your priorities. This is a simple message. It says that you need to prioritize what's important in your life. Cut away all the distractions. Put all the distractions and the unnecessary things on the back burner and get to working towards what is important for you in this moment. A love message for you, for some of you Capricorns out there here, says separation, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. This may apply for all, but this may not apply for all of you watching as well. But it looks like some of you Capricorn may be feeling a little distant with your significant other. There can be a temporary separation with, someone you are in love with, or there can be a sense of, distancing that can happen this week. So take care of yourself and don't be bogged down by situations that can come up for you. Remember, you've got what it takes. You must rely on that inner strength and you must trust yourself more. Do not run away from problems and do not run away from something just because you're scared. Believe in yourself because you've got what it takes to make things happen. I hope this message will serve helpful to all the Capricorns watching. If this message was helpful to you, do like the video, do share your comments and do share this video as well. Also feel free to subscribe to the channel to keep yourself updated when a next video appears. My name is Sonia Singh. I am an intuitive tarot card reader, a Lama Fera healer and a numerologist. I will get back to you next week with more messages. Thank you so much for your time. Have a beautiful week ahead.